Because whenever we get matching outfits, Maya doesn't want us to wear them together. I don't know. Oh my god.
Hey, wodemaya. Hey, problem too for this country. Hey, YouTuber, they look for waiting. Which passport? Me na no my mouth now for here now. Hey, YouTuber. Are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? Are you a content creator? Me na hear waiting na fellow content creator talk before we come to this our video. Yes, me na hear.
Accomplish this year.
I just want to have a diplomatic passport. If Ghana doesn't give me a diplomatic passport this year, I'll get it from any African country that is willing to give me.
Our brother wodemaya, he need diplomatic passport. No be me talk am. I think na for hear am for Imato. He say he need diplomatic passport. Hey, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, you do well to stop by. God will bless you. Please do well to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Like, okay, if you like what I they do, yes, so that you will come back, come they watch this our brother wodemaya when need diplomatic passport. Yesterday our sister Nello KK say she go buy passports. Today now our brother wodemaya say he need diplomatic passport for a YouTuber. Hey, good. Let me see you. Diplomatic for a YouTuber, for a content creator. My people, drop your opinion. Do you think say wodemaya he really deserve this diplomatic passport? You really think like that? He say according to him, he say he when he dey seek for visa, he said the stress is too much. That is why he need diplomatic passport. If you are a Ghanaian and you dey work for immigration every kpakpakpa, he say may you watch this one, may you seek for it. You know, before he dey go Kenya, this our brother, I said praise Ghanaian workers in the airport, say that they always travel out of Ghana. He appreciate all the workers in Ghana airport. He said why they not they show for a camera now, because of say it dey against their law. Say if you they work for airport, they don't want to see you with uniform for camera. But behind the camera, I said the way that they attend to him, said the way that they do, he said kudos to all the Ghanaian when they work for Ghana airport. Yes, Ghanaian wodemaya appreciate. You say maybe we still appreciate. And I see it's good anyway for the work. May you work clean. I hope say no be only wodemaya now they welcome everybody. No be because of camera now they welcome everybody. That one and that one. And secondly, this our brother also wodemaya. He still talk about for also one of his video. He still talk about may Africa, may that they do things well. Say it they affect many of them. Say if they want travel out of Africa, they just hold that our ECOWAS passport. Once they hold our ECOWAS passport, if you go many countries, say they don't even deport him, say they don't even respect her. He say because of to over pupu paper account, say it they had him. Say because of waiting our many of our ECOWAS people they do. That is our Africa people they do. You know, he still talking about that one. Okay, now the make Coco when make me come here. Now two things make me come here. His wife send me message to him, and he say he need diplomatic passport. Let me deliberate on that. If now Europe wodemaya be or now Western world country now wodemaya be that they see how it they travel and they see he walk and they see everything when he do. I believe they will give him that diplomatic passport. Yes, I believe say he due to get him because he always seek for visa. All the visa when they seek for it, they bring good things come out from it. No bad name. No say wodemaya go to so place go harm person. Wodemaya go so place go fight. No, he always go there to talk about the country, to do something good out of the visa. He know they go. For me, I believe say he deserve that diplomatic passport. I don't know what you think about it. Drop your own opinion. Do you really think he deserve? And for me, I think he deserve him because he always travel. You know, his job is part of me. Una pardon the noise. I have children, mother of children, just come back for school, give them food. You know, any noise on they say me una ignore. You know, yes, for me, I believe he in fact he deserve it because he always travel. You know, as far as he always travel, he bring good things out of he travel, his visas. It's when they seek of visa, they will try to look everything there. For me, I just drop my 2 cents, so and you are free to still drop your own 2 cents. For me, I believe say he deserve it, yes. And secondly, before I choose another one, when your wife tell us, you sing Ghana national, you not sing by country Nigeria. Ha na abba, haba, you not singer. I call the way say you go singer, you not singer. Giant of Africa, no, not for me. That my wife they do. Go your channel, go cry. If you cry, they hungry. Yes, now my own opinion will be that you are free to drop your opinion. Another one, his wife, Miss Trudy, come, you now come, Miss Trudy, come. He say, his husband know they like. Why women like this thing? They love say, she and her husband will wear the same uniform. Now uniform, that they call her. They'll say the same uniform. They say attire, you know. And wodemaya not they agree. Maybe we are beg. Maybe we tell wodemaya. My brother wodemaya is good. Okay, sometimes you and your wife wear am. For me, I still like am. But that might my guy not like am. Me, I like am. You and your husband now wear the same clothes. Not as now come wear that uniform, that automatch, that husband and wife clothes. Not as now fine and it fit two of now. Try to wear with your wife to say she like. Okay, thank you. You finally wear. I trust you. Say hey, lover, boy. Yes, I say you can't later wear and it fits you now. You know as it fits you now, before your wife drop you for airport. Okay, that one and for that one. And another one, our beautiful sister wodemaya wife, that is Miss Trudy. She said somebody they use her face. Say they ask for money, no big she. This one still draw my liver. I call me. Somebody they use your face to ask for money. Which people that they ask the money? Which person? For me, person like me. If somebody, if he get as you go be when for online money, say me I will drop all those long story online asking online for money. No besides I sit down. They tell una say na me Naija daughter. May we help this person. Na me Naija daughter. See the contact when you go call. Somebody can't use person name and later you can't say na that person na lie. May we wise once, okay? If somebody they use this our sister name as she talk, she say somebody they use her name. Please, guys. No fall for victim. If this our sister, she want to ask for person, which help you want ask? Maybe she want ask for help for somebody out there. I believe say she go get how she will take one. If anybody use her face, her husband face, or anybody face, maybe no be even the anybody at all. Maybe now they try to investigate. Maybe now they form victim for all those. Now sometimes now carry pastor, they will carry pastor name. Me, I don't receive TB Joshua. You not even send me the fellowship every Sunday on my telly. How they watch TB Joshua. This guy chats me up on my Facebook. Wanted to chat for TB Joshua. Then he contacts me, say, he don't see vision for me. He don't do this one for. I say, give me your number. TB Joshua, they out. I mean, so rest in peace. This guy, they tell me, say, he dey office. Later, I call him. I tell him, say, why are you lying? Me, the fellowship with TB Joshua. A lot of people, when they follow up for that Facebook, I make sure I send all of the message to tell them, say, this person is not a real TB Joshua. See TB Joshua, see TB. I make sure, say, I send everybody, I take my time. You understand why I go deep like this? Because many people, they use all those people, social media presenter, fakes, social media influencer, anything, so, person when they don't know, say, he big, he get name. People, they always they use that person name. Now, this person, wait till I see they call her Wise Madaniel. I write comments for Wise Madaniel comment section. Somebody writes me under my comment section, say my contact, I have something for you, blah, 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 blah. You understand? May we be wise. Yes, Miss Trudy say, no, be she. They ask for any money. If anybody asks for money, make sure say no be, maybe no say no be Miss Studio. If you go spend your money at the end, you'll come and Miss Studio say for one, Miss Studio say this, Miss Studio say this. Me personally, I will ask you break proof. Yes, break proof. May una shine una eye. Yes, me get to talk. Until you get to talk about it. May we be wise, okay, for that. Asking money online, say Miss Trudy need help. Anybody come with anybody face, when I no answer them, there'll be 419. 419. Me whenever will big. I'm big in Jesus' name. Amen. Somebody even use my face. Esther Family TV. If you never get that channel, what they wait for? Somebody use my face to say they blast people China. They go talk of I can't make money or they will still do one. But I'm not saying anybody. I know they ask for money. They will face it and they'll say, okay, now this girl they will tell use her face. I'm not asking any money. Nobody. I know they ask for money at all. Thank you. Now this one I get to know. Wodemaya safe journey and your wife say they miss you. Hey, why you not go follow one now? And for follow and make the love. The love will be your love is sweet to me. And all the Wodemaya and all the Miss Trudy lover. Thanks. Please, no, they watch video from the beginning to the end before I drop opinion. Wait, I want jealous them for. When I say they jealous, somebody drop that comment. He say, you they jealous for what? Wait, I want jealous for mommy of two. What I want jealous for? I'm not jealous. I'm okay. I'm comfortable for who I am, for as I be. I'm grateful to God. Why I go jealous then? With Maya and Miss Trudy, they get their choice to come together. Me, I still get my own choice. With Maya choice and my choice, not be the same. Miss Trudy choice and my choice, not be the same. Why I go jealous then? When they watch video from the beginning to the end before now they drop comment. Oh, now just drop comment. Now not watch and title. Now just watch title. Now use and drop. This one pass to you. When they watch from the beginning to the end before dropping comments. I'll see you in my next video.
Good. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It's a new year.
Yeah.
I think yellow looks good on me. I'm looking over this yellow page, right?
Yellow looks good on you. Yeah. Just like how black looks good on me. But I'm not wearing black though. Men in black.
So, drop a comment. Let us know what is the one thing you want to accomplish this year.
I just want to have a diplomatic passport. If Ghana doesn't give me a diplomatic passport this year, I'll get it from any African country that is willing to give me a diplomatic passport. You know why? Because I really want to finish all my countries in Africa this year. And applying for visas is very hectic. So if you're watching this video, if you work in a Ministry of Foreign Affairs from Ghana, because I've tried so hard to get a diplomatic passport so that I'll be able to travel from one country to another. I mean, the work that we're doing is the work of the Lord, and I believe that it's helping the continent. And you guys need to help make this dream come to pass by traveling to every country on the continent and in the Caribbean. Every black nation in the world, wodemaya, will be there. What was I saying?
Okay, I like that. I like that. What's your goal? Drop a comment. Anyway, so like wearing matching clothes with me. Someone talk to Maya because he never wants us to match. Someone needs to talk to him. I think it's so cute when just couples match, you know. Not all the time, sometimes. But Maya, is a problem. Yeah? No, I'm just telling guys that you don't want us to match when you're when we dress up, so people need to talk to you. Because whenever we get matching outfits, Maya doesn't want us to wear them together. I don't know. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Yeah.
Like it keeps you warm. It's not just like a normal material.